like a...
Here it is.
Yeah, no, I know that's it.
That's why it's not an official thing, right?
This is what happens when you are a DeSantis and you do 47 miles in New York, wake up early in the morning,
Oh, jeez.
and then you're another DeSantis who insists on being the computer nerd.
It happens.
And then there's Hans.
There's such a huge difference between the three of those guys.
Oh my God. Where is the other one?
I mean, they have a lot of basic similarities.
Wait, what did he say? What did that say?
They have 3 different fathers.
No, they are. They're totally different people. Oh, so it's nice to have you back. Nice to have you back where you belong.
Wasn't that Al?